This is Friday the 13th. It's a blizzard of Colorado. We're expecting quite a few inches. It's about 11:30ish. We're starting to lose our power out here, so just thought I'd give you guys a quick go around of what it's looking out here in Colorado. It's spring. Just a couple days ago we were rototillery, so this is what we got. I don't have voice on all of it, but it's on a good portion of it. So just stay along for the ride. Thanks, guys. We've been without power now for a little while. Just keep coming back outside and seeing if you guys can capture the strength of the wind out here. This is just the first portion of the storm. We haven't even gotten to the second one. So on the next portion here, you'll hear how much stronger the wind is. It's about 60 miles an hour. Can't no longer see the roads. I think this is when you know you've had a little snow and a lot of wind. A little bit of a drift. Thank God for the farmers for opening up the roads. That's 2 days old. Almost 3 days old snow now. And still nobody else have opened the roads. But thank God for a farmer. So we were without power for about 24 hours. On the snowdrift here with my daughter, that's over 13 foot high, we had a goat stuck in the middle of it. We were able to stay warm with our fire. I decided to start some supper for the evening, threw some chicken on the stove. Then grabbed a potato, cut it up, some green beans, and we had a beautiful supper that night for after nothing for electricity. There's a little baby goat. She was all frozen. She turned out well. Just some more pictures we have. It's kind of random. But it was a crazy storm. We were stuck here at home for 2 or 3 days and just trying to dig things out. We had goats that were in that great big snow pile, alive, thank God, and cold. We just got them out. So as you can see, everything's really drifted. So we did crafts, a lot of reading, and more crafts, and a lot of reading. We actually enjoyed ourselves. It was just me and the kids, and they weren't complaining too bad of not having TV. It was very nice. Thanks for riding along, guys.